You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. This lesson on punctuation explores the uses of question marks. Our objectives that follow Bloom's taxonomy will guide us through understanding question marks, their correct usage, different question types, and common mistakes to avoid. A question mark signals a direct question. Without it, a sentence might be mistaken for a statement. It helps to convey curiosity, uncertainty, or inquiry. Distinguishing between sentences that need a question mark. Sentences 2 and 4 are correctly punctuated. Identifying sentences that require a question mark. Sentences 2, 3, and 5 require question marks. 2 and 4 are indirect questions which do not require. Transforming statements into questions. First one, are you going to the park? Second, is she your teacher? Third, does the train arrive at 6 p.m.? Using question marks correctly is crucial for clear communication. They indicate inquiry and ensure the reader understands the sentence's intent. Writing dialogues using proper punctuation. The first part of dialogue 1 takes a question mark because it is a direct question, while the second part takes a full stop because it is an indirect question. Dialogue 2 takes question marks for both parts as they are direct questions. Dialogue 3 takes full stops for both parts as they are indirect questions. Questions come in different forms. Each serves a unique purpose in communication. Constructing various types of questions using diverse structures. First one, can I have your attention, please? Second, how many eggs do we need for this cake? Third, you're joining us, aren't you? Fourth, who wouldn't want a holiday? Matching sentence stems with question tags. First matches with B, second matches with A, third matches with D, fourth matches with C. Identifying the mistakes. First, direct questions do take a question mark. Second, indirect questions do not take a question mark. Third, double question marks are incorrect in formal writing. Fourth, aren't you coming might be preferred formally. Evaluating question mark usage. This is an indirect question, so question mark isn't needed. The correct version is, I wonder if he will come. Rewriting indirect questions are as direct ones. How does this machine work? Second, why did she leave early? Third, did he like the meal? Tag questions practice. First, isn't she? Second, will they? Third, is it? Fourth, can't we? Analyzing question mark rules concerning quoted speech. Rule 1. If a question is within the quoted material, a question mark should be placed inside the speech marks. Rule 2. When quoting a question, place the question mark inside the end speech mark. Rule 3. When asking a question that includes a quote, place the question mark after the end speech mark. Creating a creative piece using question marks. Select a task appropriate to your level of understanding and demonstrate your knowledge of question marks. That's it for now. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of question mark. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.